Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Paul from Maharlikans Code. I am a web developer, programmer by profession. I am from the Philippines, but working here in Singapore as a software engineer. And today, I will walk through with you on how to apply for Google AdSense and gets approved by Google AdSense program to potentially earn passive income online. So today, I have a website called Ipaskil.com, which is a classified ads in the Philippines, which was written in Python 3.6 and Django framework. And I wanted to apply for a Google AdSense for my site. So let's get started. So after you sign up to the Google AdSense, then it will display from your dashboard. There is an instructions there that says that you need to paste this code, this line of code. Hold on, guys. This line of codes, so I can maximize. This is the code. Okay, I put a zoom first. Then basically you need to put this between the head. It's like that, between the head. So I just illustrate to you, between this head you need to paste this code. So I have the heading on top, but this is a style of a Django framework. So we have the block code or block scripts that you can probably insert. So this is the thing, guys. So I remove this. It's a quite straightforward. You just paste this code and then this code, and then you upload to your home page. This is from the index.html file, which this is probably my home page. This is my home page. So the code is here located only. So what Google says in the Google AdSense dashboard, you need to paste this script. They will give you, guys, no worries, they will give you, and then you just follow and then paste it and then upload to your index.html file or index.php or whatever you have there. This site is not a WordPress site, guys. For WordPress site is different. Maybe you inject it still in the index or home page of your site, but maybe in a different way, or you put it on some certain plugins or something like that. But for now, this is my site that I built from scratch. So this is the thing, guys. And after that, then you will probably upload to your, using the FileZilla or whatever you use, your favorite FileZilla or whatever, the file transfer program. Okay, guys, that's all. And then after that, you need to click from your dashboard. You need to click for to validate or something. Then it will be disabled. Google will check for it. Then you need to wait for at least 1 day. For me in this site Ipaskil.com is I waited for 1 day. Then then I received the email I showed you earlier, guys, that then they send me for this kind of AdSense that it says congratulations, it's activated and it's approved. But if this is approved, it will say something like the reasons there, the reject reasons or whatever, something like that. So this is my first time to show you that I received this kind of email. Is a good thing. Okay, guys, let's proceed. So guys, this is my site. It's called Ipaskil.com. You can visit this Ipaskil.com. This is a classified ads in the Philippines, and it's free. But for now, I disable registration for our for outside of the Philippines. So sorry about that, guys. But anyways, I can open this to anyone. But for now, I disable first. So this is the site which I want to potentially earn something from Google AdSense. So basically, people will register here to post something to the classified ads, which was written in Python 3.6 and Django framework. So you can also see here all the sponsored ads, which I actually earn a little bit, but still not much. This site is quite new. It just started last year only, for about maybe 1 year and a half. So I launched this site, and then now I wanted to maximize the earnings for this by applying for a Google AdSense program. So what we're going to do is you potentially go to the google.com, and then you can search for Google AdSense here, and then you can start creating this one. Click. So I just click this to monetize the site. So this is the Google AdSense site, as if you don't know yet, but this is the site which you going to apply for a Google AdSense. So basically you go to the get started, or if you have a Google AdSense, then you can start by signing in. So this is the first steps to apply for your site. This is an individual site you can apply. If you have multiple websites, like I have also, but by the way, guys, I have rejected many times by Google AdSense that maybe for two or three times for my other site. But this site is a newer site. This site is the Ipaskil.com site. I also have the mindbp.com site, which is a business directory in the Philippines, but not the design is not yet fully equipped. Yeah, it's just a basic sites, basically, but a lot of good traffics are here already. I also earn a little bit also because you can put an advertisement here also, and then you can select which tab banner. But by the way, we are not doing this. These sites I applied for Google AdSense for 2 to 3 times, or I think 2 times, and then 2 times also rejected, but I never give up. This is the thing only, guys. So basically, please don't give up, just keep trying. But now I apply for my site. If you go to the alexa.com for my mindbp, this is around, it's a good traffic already. It's 598,000 what do you call, the global internet engagement. So basically it's a good traffic, but maybe later I will enhance the design for this mindbp, and I have a walkthrough video again, guys, to create a brand new site for this to enhance more. Then I will apply again for mindbp.com site. But for now, we are talking about the Ipaskil. This is a brand new site. Then yeah, it's what do you call, it's just a 1.6 ranking. It's a global site rankings, so it's a good traffic. But still, I thank God that my Google AdSense for this site, for the first time I apply, is approved. So okay, guys, so we go back again. So basically these steps is I never capture because I never expect also to get approved by Google immediately. So basically you can fill up this form to sign up for the Google AdSense program. So it will require you to put your Ipaskil, like for my site is ipaskil.com. Any site you put here, as long as you are the owner of the site, then you can control. Then I apply for my name is here, my Gmail, and then you can select this so that they will suggest the Google AdSense program. They will notify you for potential to maximize your earnings, guys. Then you just click save and continue. Then basically you need a Gmail account, guys. Before you forget anything, you need a Gmail account, of course, because this is a Google AdSense program. So you click save and continue, but this one I can skip because I already done this. Then I never expect that I have granted this by Google. So now you can continue, and after submit, it will go through their what they call the dashboard of the Google AdSense. And then I will skip with you guys. I will skip for a while, and then this is my Gmail account. So basically this is my brand new Gmail account, which is having my full name. Better to have a full name for your Gmail account because it's easy for the Google employees or whoever the agent will approve your account. Last time I have that experience, but I don't put my real name there. I just put the Mind Business Pages gmail.com. But yeah, maybe it's added points. So now is after I submitted yesterday, I submitted on the 3rd of September. 3rd of September, now is the 5th of September 2020. So after that, Google AdSense approved for 1 day. So I received this Google AdSense saying that your site is now ready to serve AdSense ads. Congratulations, your publisher ID is like something like that. So I click open Google AdSense program. So this is the thing. Congratulations, finally I received this. So congrats, your site Ipaskil.com is now ready to show AdSense ads and start earning. So now what I'm going to do is I need to, this is the thing. If your ads enable your site to begin with the relevant ads within few hours and can start earning money from Ipaskil.com. Otherwise, follow these steps. So basically, guys, they will recommend to put the auto ads by Google AdSense. So they will manage all the ads based on the users browser search or interest. Then they will display the correct ads. So basically, Google algorithms will do the work for you. So you just enable these ads, customize or whatever. Then I will walk through with you guys these steps. So basically, we need to go to the get started here. So I actually open, but now I need to set up. Click this setup. Your account is activated. Okay, click. Now I have these warning errors here. Earnings at risk. You need to fix some ads.txt file issues to avoid severe impact to your revenue. So I will fix this. Yes, but I walk through with you first. So this is the buy side, buy ad, display ads. These are all the ads here. Existing ad units, no global settings. Okay, so probably we don't touch this yet. These are all the default values. So I have a site here, auto ads is off. So so you can edit this. So guys, this is the fix now. You click this or learn more first. You need to fix this first. It is really recommended. We need to put this ads.txt file to your root directory of your site. Okay, click learn more. So this is the learn more site here. So there is a guide to where to put this ads.txt. So by right we should upload this. If you have a control for your site, by using this we need to use the FileZilla. Normally I will do this in FileZilla. If you don't have, then you can download this FileZilla apps here. So I have this directory, then I already uploaded. Then my ads.txt is here. So basically we need to download first the file which Google recommend. So fix now, click this fix now. So create an ads.txt file for ads.txt file for one site to prevent severe impact on revenue. Download an ads.txt file. So basically we need to download. Click this, and then I already downloaded. And then to cut short our time, so I will head over to filezilla.com and connect as SFTP connection to more secure. And then I browse over which the ads.txt file has been located, and then basically you can upload to the root directory for my site. So basically I have that ready, so I no need to replace. The ads.txt file is here. So my root directory is this one. So when Google says here, you need to basically browse the ads.txt file. So what they're going at the number 6 at this create an ads.txt file. So upload your ads.txt file to the root directory of your site. The root directory of a site is the directory of the folder following the top level domain example.com/ads.txt file. In this case, my site is ipaskil.com/ads.txt site. Right now I cannot browse yet. It says that it's a 404 page not found. So basically I need to create this link first, so that this one will be accessed publicly. So what is the content of this ads.txt file is so the content of this ads.txt file is normally is your publisher's ID. This one is a public information. So google.com, then publisher ID. This is your publisher ID here, and then direct this. Don't touch this code provided by Google. So later when we access this, there's still a problem here. Ads.txt file is not found. So obviously we need to create a link for this so that Google will detect this ads.txt file is already existed and the problem is fixed. So let's proceed again, guys. Okay guys, let's go back again. This is by the way my site ipaskil.com. I use the Nginx web server. So this is actually an index. This is a Nginx, what I call a Nginx web server. So basically I go and then hosted in Linode. So I hosted on my Linode cloud. So basically Linode is a great tool for small developer or big developer also there, but a very reasonable price. And then yeah, it's a developer friendly site. Actually is a very they have the $5 something for every month, so you can probably avail there. So I log into my Linode web server. So this is my web server here. So I only have this 2 GB something 2 CPU memory. I need to launch my console for later part. So for the meantime, I'm using the Nginx and then the Ubuntu 18 LTS. So this is my Nginx configuration, guys. So basically I need to create something like this robots.txt, which is basically the same thing with the ads.txt file. So what I'm going to do, I copy this from my Nginx Nginx file for this site ipaskil.com. So I pasted it here. The location is a standard code for Nginx. So I put ads.txt because this is the file which I'm going to access this file publicly. So when you slash like ipaskil.com /ads.txt, then it will come. Right now, as you can see, it's a 404. It's a 404 error. It's a standard error which the page cannot be displayed or not found. So what we're going to do is you need to create this link. Then after that, I set up it here, all the standard access log, all these things. Then you need to locate where is that file located in your root directory. So earlier we uploaded on using the FileZilla. I uploaded it here from my static site, public accessible folders. But you need to be careful here, guys. Anything you upload here will be accessed publicly. What you're going to do is mostly your common settings or your JavaScript is here only. Just be cautious only here in this folder. So right now my ads.txt file is located in this folder. So I'm going to write ads.txt file and then save it. What I'm going to do is I need to access my Nginx. So I need to close this, in etc, then Nginx. This is the Ubuntu version, guys, for my Linux web server. I'm going to upload under the enabled. So I need to access my Nginx file which we have recently modified. Then okay, this is my Nginx. Then sites enabled, sites available. So I need to upload for my ipaskil.com and then replace it. Okay, now done, uploaded to the web server. What I'm going to do is to take effect on these changes for the web index for the Nginx web server. We need to quickly restart. Just a few 1 second or 2 seconds only, it will boot up. It's just yeah, that's why I need to open the launch here for my Linode. But for your server, I don't know yet, but for this Linode server is you need to launch it here. It's so easy to do. And then quickly launch. This is my web server. I stop for one of my sites first. I need to clear. Then what I'm going to do is issue this command. So okay, guys, we need to issue this command, sudo nginx -s, then reload. This is for the Ubuntu command. then press enter, and then it's just like that. It's very quick to restart only your web server. Now we minimize this. Now this is a 404. It should work now. I need to control F5. Yes, now it's working, guys. So probably whatever in the text file there, it displays publicly, so Google can validate the Google AdSense, which we this error message, we want to prevent this and fix it now. So we need to click this fix now. Let's see what will happen, guys. It may take some time, they say. So it may, I say, we already fixed this, but the Google AdSense dashboard says that it may take a few days for changes to update. If you're using another ad network, remember to add network to ads that textify, see the ads like guidelines. So we already done this. So Google will automatically detect this file. Now is accessible publicly. So when the Google boots runs the program, no, it's just a caching, guys. So okay, so now it's up. Okay, guys, so we try to turn on the auto ads. So let's play around with this. So right now my auto ads is off, so we will click on this edit here. It says ad settings preview for Ipaskil, so the auto ads is off, so we need to turn it here. Google will automatically show ads across your site in all the best places for you. So you just enable this. So there is an auto ads, it will display. Yes, there is a auto ads here, it will display all something like that. So Google will do the best places where to put an ads for you. So no need for you to add the individual ads to each pages. These the new features for Google AdSense. So if you are not so techy, or if you have a simple site there, then you just manage it. The best recommended for you is to enable the auto ads. So basically, guys, as you can see, Google will place the best places where their ads will display. So no need for you to enable it one by one, or if you want also, you can insert each codes which is the native native ads for Google. So I apply for all my sites. Apply now. Run experiment first. So changes can take up to an hour to reflect on your site. Okay, so we click save. So I choose the apply now. Okay, so I turn it on. So now the status is changed to on with the green color there. So let's see, because Google says it takes some hour or few hours to enable it. We try to refresh the page here. Still not yet. It may take some time because Google will display. For now, and for time being, guys, we just wait for a while. I'll give you some updates later on about this Google AdSense. Maybe we call it the episodes, or for this. So for these sites, it's not yet. So if you click this one of the ads or something like this here, for example, click this. So this the individual ads for ipaskil.com, and then these individual posters will be here also. So basically they are offline or online or whatsoever. Actually you can create an chat also or inquiries for this guy. So submit review. So I will walk through with you again guys in this another session to ensure that the Google AdSense display in our site. This is the crucial for Google AdSense, then you can start earning money or passive income money or additional extra money for your household or for your own expenses. So also I will walk through with you guys. Another one is this is the buy ad unit. Right now I choose the buy site, which is the default by Google, and then the create new ads here. This is what I'm talking about, the native ads or whatever you can insert in your articles, and whether your blog or any content you have in your site. Is it a WordPress site? Then you can insert these native ads, but they recommend to display these ads also. You can create these ads by ad unit, global settings, size and type. So you can play around with these guys as long that your Google AdSense has been approved. Then you can have all these dashboards here. So whatever you have, the reports. So right now we don't have ads display yet, but I will feedback with you again guys in our next session about this Google AdSense, and potentially you can earn more money. So right now I don't have yet. This is the normal tool. So we play around with these guys first. So right now I don't have the earnings yet, 0, but I will from time to time I will update with you guys on how all these settings, the clicks, the impressions, the page RPM, all these potential earnings that you can earn as a web developer or a software engineer or whatsoever guys. In my next episode series we will walk through with this again and see what additional settings we can do and play around with this first. So right now we refresh again one more time. Still not there, but the Google codes it should be there already. So guys, this is the thing. Okay, that's all for today guys, and we will walk through with you again about this Google AdSense program. So right now we applied for Google AdSense and gets approved in the next day, and then I thank God for that. And then I will update again with you guys about this Google AdSense program that we can potentially earn passive income online, most especially in this time of pandemic era. So see you again guys in my next tutorial series here in Maharlikans Code, and help you in your journey as a web developer or a software engineer. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share this channel or this video so that you can have more videos like this to potentially earn money online as a software engineer. May God bless us all. Thank you, and bye bye.